Welcome to the next video in this lesson, where you'll learn how to use a special set of comments called TODO statements. TODO statements, also called TODO comments, exist to help a programmer create a list of tasks that require additional attention. This is useful in maintaining projects, especially when the project size grows beyond a small, simple app, or when multiple people are working on the same project. These TODO comments exist to allow developers to leave easily traceable and findable comments within the source code that indicate further action is required in that location. An example of this would be a developer leaving a message for themselves or possibly others that they need to improve a section of code at some point in the future, or check to see if there might be a more efficient way to accomplish what they have just wrote and have working. In this course, we will make use of TODO comments within your assignments to indicate where you will need to complete the required code. After completing this video, you'll understand how to both create and use the special comments called TODO statements to find the places within a program that require additional attention. In future assignments, we will make use of a feature of the Android Studio IDE called TODO statements. TODO statements are comments that start with the word to do. These comments are special because there is built-in functionality into Android Studio that allows us to quickly find all the TODO statements in our code. To demonstrate this functionality, I will create a TODO comment here in the custom logic class. Then I will close this file and create a TODO statement in the main activity class. Then I will close that file. This example might seem simple because I only have two classes, but if I had a project with hundreds of Java files, it would be quite time-consuming to search each file to see if it has a TODO comment. Thankfully, the IDE has a tool to help us. At the bottom of the IDE, there's a tab called TODO. If you click it, it will list each TODO statement within your project. It will tell you how many TODO items exist and in how many separate files. In my case, there are two TODO statements in two files. Clicking the arrows will expand the view so that you can see more information. The file name will be given, and then each TODO statement in that file will be listed. The first number is on what line number the TODO statement is. So for example, Custom Logic's TODO statement is on line number 5. If you double-click a TODO item listed here, it will open up the source code file and take you to that TODO statement. It will do that for every TODO statement you have listed here. Now I said line number, and that can be important. Line numbers are used in lots of debugging methods within Android Studio and programming in general. To view line numbers, right-click in the left-hand window here of the editor and click on Show Line Numbers. You can toggle this. I personally recommend you always leave it on. Now that you've completed this video, you should understand how to enable line numbers within the editor and how to create TODO comments, along with how to use the TODO window to quickly open and jump to existing TODO statements. Visible line numbers, along with TODO statements, will assist you in maintaining and improving the code within your projects. These tools, along with the tools from the previous video, will by no means solve every bug you face while programming, but they should help you to quickly identify and hopefully narrow down many potential bugs quicker and more efficiently.